Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get pregnancy filters on TikTok. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to use a photo that you want. But in my case, I will use a photo of a random model just as an example for this video. When the photos or your photos are ready, save them to your phone's library. Return to TikTok and search for the pregnant filter. Open a video from the trend and look for the CapCut template just above the username. Tap Use template in CapCut to open CapCut and view the template. Tap again Use template in CapCut. Select your photos. Pick your pregnancy photos. In here, you have to choose 5. So after that, just tap on preview at the bottom right to create the pregnancy filter trend video. To remove the beginning text, tap text at the bottom, then edit. Delete the text and press space and then tick to leave the text box empty. Tap add sound if you want to add your own sound. And at the top right, to export the video to TikTok. Once your video is now in TikTok, you can add effects, text, stickers, then post it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get pregnancy filters on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.